Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel Smoothing Life. So today I am on a review video of front load washing machine. This is not a paid or promotional video. I am putting this on my personal interest for those who are in a real need of this. I too had to think a lot, recheck with many outlets on the brand, quality of washing, water consumption and so on. Since such type of electronic products are purchased once in a while, we need to completely go on a deep study on these type of product. So finally I got the exact machine for what I was looking for. This Samsung EcoBubble front load washing machine is a bit higher on the price level, but must say, since I started using it, my life has changed a lot. Earlier, with a semi-automatic machine, I had a tough time since all the process was done manually. Since my husband is an advocate, his daily wear is white shirt. Washing the white shirt was a huge task for me. The washing machine was delivered the very next day of purchase and the installation was done within 24 hours from the delivery time. The service was very good, but the technician who came for installation and demo gave more importance on the product. I had to go through many Samsung washing machine demos on the YouTube to start with. Hence, I thought of putting a video which can be a need for most of the women who are looking for. Now, to say about the washing machine, the Samsung EcoBubble with latest technology was the one what I found at last. The key features are it removes stubborn stains by soaking the cloth with soapy bubbles, less energy consumption, less noise, removes 99.9% of bacteria, no tangling, 3 years complete machine warranty with 10 years warranty on the motor and 10 years warranty on the EcoBubble. The Stay Clean drawer ensures that more of the detergents is washed away with a specially designed water flushing system, and the tray stays cleaner and more hygienic. It has 3 compartments with 2 detergent and 1 conditioner. A digital display for an easy access and easy wash selection. Ceramic coated heater which prevents calcium buildup for more durability. The digital inverter motor delivers superior energy efficiency, minimal noise and long-lasting performance. It consumes less energy than a universal motor and provides outstanding durability. A drain which is easy to clean on a monthly basis. Beautifully elegant designed transparent crystal gloss door with a pleasing look. Diamond drum with a unique soft curl design with smooth diamond shaped ridges is supremely gentle on your cloth. The Smart Check automatic error monitoring system detects and diagnoses problems and provides easy troubleshooting solution using a smartphone app. So it saves your time and avoids the cost and inconvenience of unnecessary engineer callouts. The wash cycles are preset to make work more easy. Additional temperature, RPM, soaking, rinsing can be selected according to our choice if needed. The 15 minutes quick wash saves time on smaller loads by cleaning lightly solid cloths quickly and efficiently. The machine has set the cycle with normal water with 800 rpm for 15 minutes. Additional rinsing or hot water wash can be added according to one's choice. The daily wash washes in 40-degree temperature with 1200 rpm and takes 1 hour 4 minutes for a complete wash. Additional rinse, decreasing or increasing of temperature or the bubble soak or pre-rinse take extra time, which increase the time duration according to the selection. The Super Eco Wash is a cold wash with 1200 rpm and takes 2 hours 21 minutes for the whole cycle. Since it gives a cold water wash, the cycle time duration is more. The Wool Bar Delicates washes in 40-degree temperature with 800 rpm for 53 minutes. All the cycle has 2 rinsing program, can be increased as per one's need. This machine has 2 steam wash program, the hygiene steam and the bedding. The hygiene steam gives the cloth a really deep and hygienic clean with steam. Best for baby cloth or to remove the bacteria and allergens. It washes in 60-degree temperature with 1200 rpm for 2 hours 48 minutes. Increase in the rinse or temperature will take extra time. The bedding cycle washes with 40-degree temperature 800 rpm for 2 hours 5 minutes. It takes extra time according to the additional selection of the temperature, pre-rinse, bubble soak and extra rinse. The cotton cycle is best for white clothes. It washes with 40-degree temperature, 1200 rpm, takes 1 hour 21 minutes, can add bubble soak, pre-rinse and extra rinse. The Eco Cotton Wash washes the clothes with 40-degree temperature, 1200 rpm for 1 hour 40 minutes. In this cycle, the bubble wash cannot be selected. The synthetic wash is with 40-degree temperature, 1200 rpm for 1 hour 30 minutes. The rinse and spin takes 20 minutes, can add an extra rinse cycle. Select the RPM according to the material. The spin mode takes 14 minutes for 1200 RPM. It takes less time if RPM is decreased. This machine has the Eco Drum Clean. It cleans with 60° temperature and 800 RPM for 1 hour 59 minutes. Chemical-free drum sanitization that keeps the inside of the washer hygienically clean. Eco Drum Clean removes dirt and odor causing bacteria from the drum. There is no need of harsh or costly detergent, as it uses a combination of soaking, pulsating and high-speed spinning. It also notifies when it needs a cleaning. This machine also has extra features like child lock, LRAM, delayed wash. Now let's see how the wash cycle is. The white cloth, I will be washing it in cotton mode. Switch on the machine, select cotton mode. The cycle shows 1 hour 21 minutes. I am going to give a bubble soak, so it will take 1 hour 51 minutes. Fill the dispenser with detergent. I had added a bit more of the detergent as it was my first wash. In the second compartment, add the conditioner and the glue. The machine first checks the quantity and absorbs water as per the quantity. For our daily houseware, I am selecting daily wash. Add the detergent and fabric conditioner. The display has a light blinking for each process: the wash, the rinse and the spin. The pre-wash will act only if selected. I am going to give an extra rinse without a pre-wash, so it will be 3 rinse cycle and the time duration has increased to 1 hour 16 minutes. Once the machine is on, the checking of the quantity takes place first and the wash program starts. As you can see, the machine has taken the required water as of stone wash. After each cycle, it dries the cloth and then proceed for the next one. This way, it has a better cleaning with less water consumption. The door lock opens once the red indicator turns off. The washed cloth dries 80% in the machine itself and sun dries within 30 minutes. The drum is dry and clean after each wash. For the lightly solid cloth, can use the quick wash. It takes 15 minutes without hot water wash. I need a hot water wash, so selecting 40-degree temperature and increasing the RPM. So the 15 minutes quick wash can be increased with extra function, and now it will take 43 minutes for the whole cycle. The jeans and the hygienic washcloth can be washed in hygienic steam wash. It washes in 60-degree temperature for 2 hours 48 minutes. The bedspread, pillow covers, bath towels can be washed in bedding cycle. This cycle also gives a steam wash. The process takes 2 hours 5 minutes. I am going to give a bubble soap for better cleaning, and the washing time has increased to 2 hours 35 minutes. This Samsung front load washing machine washes the cloth like a stone wash and keeps the cloth clean. As you can see, the water consumption is also very less. The bubble wash gives an extra clean to the material. The hand towels and bath towels also can be steam washed. I am going to wash it in daily wash with increased temperature. In case you need only the rinse and spin mode for any newly bought cloth, then go for the rinse and spin option. It will take 20 minutes. Any RPM selected takes the same time. It is better to use a detergent powder than a liquid. The detergent has more power in it and removes tough stain, and the cloth come out more clean. I am using the same washing powder which I had used in my semi-automatic machine. There is no need of buying a costly detergent for this machine, as it gives a bubble wash to the cloth. Hope this video will be helpful to my viewers. We'll be back soon with another video. Until then, bye and take care.